Another really important area, the guy has a whole section on considerations for scaling deployments.
Yes, and it breaks it down into hardware, indexers, log size, and search heads.
For hardware, it says you might need to go beyond the minimum specs.
Depending on your environment, you might need to look at the mid-range or high-performance guidelines.
Then for indexers, which do a lot of the heavy lifting,
Indexing is I/O intensive, so they need enough disk performance to ingest and search efficiently.
the guide mentions increasing the number of indexers to handle higher search loads,
And it points out that adding more search heads can impact your indexer performance.
especially if they're all hitting the same indexers.
If you're ingesting a terabyte or more per day, they recommend talking to Splunk Professional Services.
Log size is another factor, especially in search head cluster environments.
Large KV store lookups can fail to sync, so increasing the operations log size can help.
Finally, for search heads, the number you need depends on things like concurrent searches and enabled detections.
More concurrent searches or real-time searches, you might need more CPU cores.
Lots of enabled detections or large lookup files, you might need more RAM.
So it's a multifaceted thing, looking at all those areas.